Gwillim's Florists. I'm going to show you how to make a pressed flower bookmark, like this, using flowers from your garden or when you're out on your daily walk. Once you've collected your flowers from the garden, you'll need to put them into some tissue, like this. Fold the tissue over. And place the tissue inside a thick book. You'll need to leave the flowers there for between 2 and 3 days. After 3 days, check on your flowers. You might find that they've changed colour slightly while they've been drying, but that's okay. But you'll see that they're nice and flat now and ready to be used for your bookmark. Before gluing your flowers down onto your strip of card, I'd recommend just trying them out in different positions to see what works best for you. Once you're happy, use some glue stick, pop some onto the card, then put your flowers into position. I've gone for a plain brown card for my bookmark to go for a botanical look, but you can use any colour really, something nice and bright or something plain. Anything will work well with flowers. So I've got my self-adhesive clear book cover ready to use on my bookmark. I've cut it a little bit larger than the bookmark to make sure that it can wrap fully around the edges. Before sticking the clear plastic on, if you are thinking of giving this bookmark as a gift for someone, you might like to write them a nice message on the back. That'd be a nice idea, so they know it's personalised just for them. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to peel the plastic Bear with me, there we go. Peel the plastic away. And I'm going to very carefully place it on top of the bookmark. You want to try to do this in the first attempt so that you don't dislodge any of the flowers. There we go. Smooth it down. Now turn your bookmark over, and now you can really press down to ensure that the clear plastic is sticking to your bookmark. A trick I like to use to help the plastic fold over neatly is at each corner make a diagonal cut in the plastic. Last one. I feel this helps with folding, just makes it a bit neater. There we go. The next thing I'm going to do is use a hole punch to make this little hole down here where you can put a tassel. It could be twine or it could be ribbon, whatever you decide and whatever goes with your bookmark design. There we go. I'm going to use the twine to loop through. fold it back on itself. There we go. And your bookmark's complete.